In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Evernote. Evernote is a fantastic tool for organizing your notes, ideas, and to-do lists, and understanding how to adjust line spacing can really enhance the readability and presentation of your content. Sometimes, when you're typing up your notes, you might find that you need to adjust the space between lines to suit your needs, whether you want to fit more information on the page or simply prefer a cleaner look. Fortunately, Evernote offers a simple way to make these adjustments, and today I'll walk you through it. To adjust the line spacing in Evernote, we can use a handy keyboard shortcut that gives us tighter lines, ensuring that our text looks just the way we want it to. Instead of simply hitting the Enter key when you want to start a new line, you'll hold down the Shift key and then press Enter. This technique inserts a line break without starting a new paragraph. Let me explain why this matters. By default, when you hit the Enter key in a text editor, you're signaling the beginning of a new paragraph, which typically adds a bit more space before the next line of text. However, if our goal is to maintain a consistent flow of information with minimal spacing, using the Shift plus Enter combination is our go-to move. This results in a line break that is far less pronounced than a full paragraph break, giving your text a tighter, more cohesive appearance. This can be incredibly useful for lists or when you're drafting something that doesn't require those larger gaps between lines, making your note not only look neater, but also easier to read at a glance. Beyond just aesthetics, using Shift plus Enter can help if you're trying to fit more content onto a single page or screen. This can be particularly beneficial if you're dealing with limited space, say when you're preparing notes for a meeting and you need everything accessible without excessive scrolling. It's about making your notes work for you, in whatever way serves your needs best. Keep in mind that this trick works as you might be drafting your original content, or later if you're reviewing and editing your notes. You can seamlessly integrate these tighter line breaks by holding Shift and pressing Enter anytime you need that closer spacing, allowing for greater flexibility and control over the look and feel of your Evernote documents. And there you have it. With just a simple adjustment, your notes can appear more streamlined and tailored to your preferences, without sacrificing readability. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully, this little trick will be as helpful for you as it has been for many in streamlining note-taking in Evernote. If you found this tip useful, make sure to subscribe for more content, and happy note-taking.